Hi everybody, Carolyn Caldwell here from Caldwell Evolution with day 7 of the Organizing Spring Fling. So today I've come back out into the sunshine, I'll see if I can just keep my head from glistening at you there, to talk about the moon. Where I live in the world, we had a supermoon last night between April the 6th and April the 7th, and hopefully you did too. I didn't see it last night because it was cloudy, but I did wake up at 5 o'clock this morning and I was able to see it. It was big and bright and so beautiful in the sky. It was just absolutely an exceptional moon. Now, that was beautiful. The light was beautiful. However, in the tarot cards, the moon energy represents things being hidden, things that can't be seen. What you see is not what you get, and there are things that need to be revealed. And that reminded me that often when we have too much clutter, we have the same problem. Things aren't what they seem to be. You maybe open up your clothes closet and you can only just see what's right there in front of you. And you might be thinking to yourself, I have no idea what's at the bottom there in the back because there's too much on the floor and I can't see. Or I have no idea what's on the top shelf at the back because it's been a long time since I was in there. Or another example is the junk drawer. Most of us have them. Even though I'm a professional organizer, we have a junk drawer. And you pull out that drawer and frequently there's so much stuff in there that you're really not sure what's there. There's so much clutter that things aren't what they seem, things need to be revealed, and what you see is not necessarily what you get. So the strategy for that is to bring things into the light. Let's move the moon energy aside and bring things into the daylight. My suggestion for the junk drawer, and usually when you're doing a clear out of most things, is to take it someplace where you don't normally see it. So empty out that drawer and maybe put it on the dining room table or the kitchen table or another table where you can dump it right out, pull everything out. Do a quick sort to get rid of the garbage, anything broken, use the decision, keep, not keep to get started. Do I need to keep this? Am I not going to keep it? As quickly as you possibly can. Then what you're left with are those things that perhaps need to either stay in the drawer or need to be housed someplace else. Maybe you found a fabric measuring tape that would better be suited in your sewing kit. Maybe you found a metal measuring tape that would be better suited in the toolbox, wherever you keep your toolbox. You might have found some candles, birthday candles, that you really do want to keep in the junk drawer, which is fantastic. Maybe you found the dog's brush, which you also want to keep in the junk drawer. And now that you got rid of all the extra stuff, you can actually see that it's there. In a drawer, you probably want to store things in containers so that they can be seen. I've got a couple of examples here. This is one that I particularly like. It's very lightweight and it's very clear. And in a drawer, you're going to be looking from the top. So I use these for elastic bands and it's pretty clear what's in there and what elastic bands are there. In this one, this might be a good one for grab and go things because of the lid. It's shallow, it's clear, you can see what's in there, or if you prefer, you could label it. But candles might be a grab and go thing if you're going to be putting them on to the birthday cakes. So this would be a good storage item for that. The other thing that I've seen is mason jars used in drawers. Again, take the tops off, you can see what's in there, and you can reach in and take what you need when you need them. So when you put everything back that's actually going to be staying in that junk drawer that really does belong there, that's where its home is, try and make them visible, make them so that you can see them, so that next time you want to use them, you know exactly what's there. And we'll just move that moon energy, that moon feeling that things aren't what they might seem to be. We're just going to move that off back up into the sky where it belongs. I hope that's helpful, everybody.